The Lwemiyaga County MP-elect Theodore Ssekibubo arrived at the Constitutional Court in Kampala to hear the verdict from a matter referred by the Chief Magistrate Court of Masaka. The ground of interpretation before court was whether a recount of ballots was defective because it had already exceeded 4 days, which are provided for in the law. This is after Sekikubo's rival Patrick Nkalubo challenged the outcome of the March 18th parliamentary elections in the Masaka Chief Magistrate's Court. At about 10 a.m., Justice Rosemary Barebe read the issues which were framed before she delivered the anonymous verdict on behalf of a quorum of 5 justices. Justice Barebe cited Article 137, Section 5 of the Constitution, saying that before a question can be framed and referred to the Constitutional Court for determination, it must rise out of the proceedings.
It is dismissed and the parties are each to their course. This file is to be returned to the Chief Magistrate's Court to urgently conclude the management of miscellaneous application 11 of 2020.
Sekikubo and his supporters were in a jubilant mood immediately after the verdict was announced.
I'm happy that I've won, and I'm glad that court has found it that the petition had no merit at all. I knew it was some other people, some other forces, not even Nkalubo. You can forgive Nkalubo all about it. It's not him. Other forces were behind my being delayed. I knew they would delay me, but they would not stop me from enjoying my victory. For us in Lwemiyaga, you can't be in the election exercise the whole year. Even when you win, you are not declared as such.
However, Nkalubo says the legal battle is not yet over.
How does it feel the judge having dismissed the case?
Anyway, for me, the case which the application which I made in the lower court is still going on. And I don't see the reasons as to why even these people are celebrating. It's not me who referred this matter to the Constitutional Court. It was the Chief Magistrate of the lower court that needed some interpretation. So if the judges have decided that the case goes back to the Chief Magistrate, I think the case is still going on, and I can see it is even in my favor. It is still in my favor. It has not been dismissed completely. They have not said that the case should not go on.
We are glad that they have made an order that if you want votes of the people of Lwemiyaga, you go to ask for the votes from Lwemiyaga, not in the courts here.
Sekikubo will now rely on the verdict to be able to register as a contestant for the coveted position of Deputy Speaker.
I'm now on solid ground, and I competently will move to the Electoral Commission of the NRM to demand that I be given letters of forms for expression of interest, because I'm already ready with my letter, and I want to tell Dr. Tango Doi that by God's grace, I'm on the move again.
Sudilvia Ruhanga, NTV.